Good morning, students. So we are done with the methods of valuation of goodwill. Take down the next side heading. Accounting treatment of goodwill when there is change in profit sharing ratio of existing partners. So sometimes what happens, there may be 2 or 3 partners who may be sharing profit and loss in an agreed ratio. But in future they decide that they wish to change their profit sharing ratio. Let me give you an example. Say A and B are partners sharing profit and loss equally, that is in the ratio 1:1. कुछ साल बाद B बोलता है कि मुझे फर्म में ज्यादा काम नहीं करना है, मेरे हेल्थ इश्यूज हैं. So they decide that they'll be sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. Right? So if their profit was 1 lakh rupees, what was their old ratio? ओल्ड रेशियो के हिसाब से दोनों को कितना प्रॉफिट मिलेगा? 50,000 इज टू 50,000. बट बिकॉज ऑफ हेल्थ इश्यूज इन्होंने फ्यूचर प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो 3:2 कर दिया. सो देयर रेशियो विल बी 60,000 इज टू 40,000. राइट? तो इस केस में क्या हुआ? देर इज अ गेन फॉर ए. कितने रुपए का गेन है? 10,000 का. एंड देर इज अ सैक्रिफाइसिंग ऑफ बी दैट इज ऑफ 10,000 रुपीज. तो एक ने गेन किया, एक ने सैक्रिफाइस किया. बट अब बी बोलेगा कि इतने सालों तक तो मैं ये फर्म में काम कर रहा था, जो गुडविल है इस फर्म की वो मेरी वजह से. सो इन सच ए केस ए नीड्स टू कॉम्पेंसिएट टू बी. वाई ए नीड्स टू कॉम्पेंसिएट टू बी? क्योंकि आज की डेट में वो कम काम कर रहा है, बट पहले जितनी भी गुडविल है वो बी ने अपने मेहनत से कमाई है. So in such a case, when they decide to change the future profit sharing ratio, A will compensate B saying that मैं आपको ये 10,000 का compensation कर दूंगा in a form of goodwill. And after A has compensated to B, they will start sharing their profit and loss in the new ratio, that is 3:2. So first we need to find out the gain or sacrifice of each partner. So it is nothing but old ratio minus new ratio. So what is the old ratio of A? 1/2 and new ratio is 3/5. जल्दी से LCM निकालो. LCM is 10. So it is 5 minus 6, that is 1/10. And for B it is 1/2 minus 2/5. वापस LCM is 10. 5 minus 4 that is 1/10. तो आप मिडल वाला देखोगे, A का 5 से 6 हो गया which means it is gain ratio, and B का 5 से 4 हो गया which means it is sacrifice ratio. So what is the gain ratio of A? 1 lakh into 1/10. 10,000 मिला हमें यहाँ पे 10,000 रुपए गेन. And what is the sacrifice ratio? 1 lakh into 1/10, 10,000. So इसकी एक journal entry रहेगी. Journal entry is very simple. It is nothing but gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. So इस सम में gaining partner कौन है? It is A. So A is capital or current depending whether it is fixed or fluctuating account debited to B's capital account. What will be the amount? 10,000 debit and 10,000 credit. They would be giving you the amount of goodwill And if the goodwill amount is not given, you need to calculate it according to your super profit method, capitalization method or average method. In the example which I have given you, they have given you the value of goodwill, that is 1 lakh rupees. So let us work out a problem so that it's very clear as to how we need to work out the problem. A, B, C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:4:1. It was decided that with effect from 1st April, the profit sharing ratio will be 9:6:5. Goodwill is to be valued at 2 years purchase of average of 3 years profit. The profit is given to us. So first, what is the old ratio? They have given us the old ratio, that is 5:4:1. They have given us new ratio, that is 9:6:5. They have not given us the amount of goodwill, but have asked to find out according to average profit method. So how do we calculate goodwill? Next we need to write calculation of goodwill. First we need to find out the average profit. What is the profit of 3 years? 48,000 plus 42,000 plus 60,000 divided by 3. So how much do we get? 50,000 is the average profit. After we have found out the average profit, we need to find out the goodwill amount. Goodwill is nothing but average profit into number of years of purchase. So what is the average profit? 50,000, and number of years of purchase is given as 2. So our total goodwill is 1 lakh rupees. Then we need to find out the sacrifice or gain. We have 3 partners A, B and C. So what is the formula? It is nothing but old ratio minus new ratio. So what is the old ratio of A? It is 5/10 minus 9 divided by 20. So what is the LCM? 20 is the LCM. So into 2 into 2. 10 minus 9, which is 1/20. Then we have 4/10 minus 6/20. What's the LCM again? 20 into 2 into 2. 8 minus 6, that is 2/20. And last for C we have 1/10 minus 5/20. LCM is 20 into 2 into 2. 2 minus 5, that is 3/20. So how can we find out whether it is gain or sacrifice? We need to see the middle part. So of A, from 10 it has reduced to 9. So it is sacrifice. For B, from 8 it is 6. Again it is sacrifice. And for C, from 2 it has been 5, which means it is gain. So what is the journal entry? Gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. So write down journal entry so we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. What is the date? 1st April 2019. Who is a gaining partner? A's capital account debited. How much will he gain? What is the amount of goodwill? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 3 divided by 20. So it is 15,000. To sacrificing ratio. Who has sacrificed? A's capital account to B's capital account. What is the goodwill? 1 lakh into, for A it is 1/20. So we get 5,000. And for B it is 1 lakh into 2/20. We get 10,000. So what is the narration? Adjustment for goodwill due to change in profit sharing ratio. Clear? So what is the first step? The first step is we need to calculate the goodwill if it is not being given directly in the question. After we have found out the goodwill, we need to find the sacrifice or gain ratio. And last, we need to write the journal entry. Clear? Let us work out one more problem. X and Y are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:1. They decided that from 1st April they would share profit and loss in the ratio 5:3. The partnership deed provides that in the event of any change in profit sharing ratio, the goodwill should be valued at total of 2 years profit preceding the date the decision became effective. The profit has been given. Pass necessary journal entry. So in this question they have not given goodwill, but they have asked us that goodwill should be valued at 2 years profit. So what are the 2 years profit in the problem? It is 70,000 and 90,000. So they have not asked us to use any method. All they have told that you need to calculate goodwill on the value of last 2 years profit. So write down calculation of goodwill. Goodwill is equal to 70,000 plus 90,000. How much do we get? 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 is the amount of goodwill. So what is the old ratio? Old ratio is 3:1. What is the new ratio? It is 5:3. So we need to find out sacrifice or gain. So what is the formula? It is old ratio minus new ratio. So which are the two partners, X and Y? What is the old ratio of X? It is 3/4 minus 5/8. So what is the LCM? LCM is 8 into 2 into 2. 6 minus 5, we get 1/8. For Y it is 1/4 minus 3/8. 2 minus 3 divided by 8, again we get 1/8. So who has gained who has sacrificed? For X, from 6 it has been 5, which means X has sacrificed. And for Y, from 2 it is 3, which means Y has gained. So what will be debited? Gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. So our journal entry will be, write down journal entry. Kindly do the format, that is date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Our date is 1/4/2016. It is Y's capital account debited. By what amount will it be debited? 1,60,000 into 1/8, that is 20,000, to X capital account. It is 1,60,000 into 1/8, that is 20,000. What is the narration? Adjustment of goodwill due to change in profit sharing ratio. Instead of calculating this part over here, you can even do it before journal entry. How can you do it? All you need to do is X sacrifice. How much? It is 1,60,000 into 1/8, that is 20,000. Y's gain 1,60,000 into 1/8, that is 20,000. It is okay if you want to do it separately, and it is alright if you want to do it in your journal entries as well. So clear? So that's all for today. We shall be continuing the remaining topics in the next class. Thank you.